What's up everybody, this is Yair and today I'm gonna do the Teeny Weeny Art Challenge. Okay, so first make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every weekend. That being said, I thought to myself it would be cool to test my drawing skills and take the Tiny Art Challenge. How does it work? Well, you basically draw the same drawing, only smaller and smaller until you can barely see it. There's lots of great tiny art challenges out there, but shout out to Casey Golden. I think she was the first one to launch this challenge to YouTube. Although I'm gonna use a different way. I'll use circles instead of squares. I'll start with a circle with a diameter of 81 millimeters. That's 8.1 centimeters. Then I'll divide it by 3 and we got a 27 millimeter circle. Divide that by 3 and we got 9 millimeters. Then we got 3 millimeters and finally that 1 millimeter dot. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that one, but we'll soon find out. So without further ado, let's get started. And we are done, everybody. So this was pretty basic, not too complicated, not too challenging in terms of size anyway. That's basically my safe zone. We got a nice looking drawing of Super Saiyan Goku, but now the real action begins. We are moving to the 27mm circle. That's about the size of a coin, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so this one was actually really fun to do. I used the 0.03 pen for the inking. It definitely was more challenging, especially around the face, because those tiny details on the face, for example, could really impact the entire drawing. I think it was actually harder because I couldn't come near to the drawing in order to see better, because then I'll block the camera and you wouldn't be able to see what I'm doing, which is a challenge by itself. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the result. But now it gets really challenging. That's 9mm. Let's do this. God damn! So this one actually looks like a frame from the famous scene of Dragon Ball Super where Goku fights Beerus. That's like the derpiest Goku ever. And as you can see, the main issue was with the face. And just to let you know how small it is, look, it's smaller than my nail. That is crazy. But now we move to the 3mm. I don't even know like where to start, but here goes. Okay, so I'm not sure he got a face. Like maybe 2 dots for the eyes, 1 dot for the nose. But we can still see it's Goku, guys. Come on now. No? Okay. Now, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this 1mm circle. I mean, just the contour makes it even smaller, so I think I'm just gonna color it with some blue and orange, and that's basically it. I mean, look, it's smaller than the brush nib, for God's sake. Let me grab a tweezers real quick. Look how small. That's fucking microscopic, man. Now let's go all over the drawings. Okay, so I took a picture of every circle and let's see the damage. So we'll start with the fresh, clean, smooth Goku. Then we got the coin-sized Goku. Moving to the nail-sized Goku, aka the derpiest Goku. After that, we got the 3mm Goku. Let's call him the emo Goku cause he kind of looks sad. And then we move to the 1mm dot of orange and some blue, I guess. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely a fun challenge. I recommend you to do the same. And it's actually a great way to work on your accuracy and your details. So give it a shot. I think you'll enjoy it too. Thanks a lot for watching. Of course, if you want to show me some love, hit that thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe and check out my Redbubble shop if you want some cool looking prints. And don't miss tomorrow's video. Yes, we got a bonus video too, so make sure to stay tuned. That's it for today. Keep being awesome, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.